I can't hear you as well because I'm joining the game, which makes my connection
Shut
bad.
up! Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
Okay, good.
I have the high ground, Anakin.
Wait, if you... Oh! Alright, no, I'm good.
You squealed like a girl, dude.
Hi, welcome to Frappe. How can I help you today? I want to let the world know that I'm fucking doing something! Hello, ma'am. Will you help me find my son? His name is Samuel. Will you please help me find him? No, sorry, I'm working. His name is Samuel. She switched cash registers. Why? I want my son! Where did you put my... where did you put my son? Do you want to order? I'd like to order one Samuel. Hola, hola, hola. Please say it back. Vamos, cheater! Oh no, he's calling him a cheater. Ooh, despacito. More like, muy copyrightito. Yay! Gotta mute that. YouTube will ban me from their thing if I play that. Man, I'm really thirsty. Man, that was good. Jake, I don't think I can hold on much longer.
I can just grab your hand.
No, Jake, it was never that easy. Jake,
it's okay, I have your hand.
I love you, but I have to go.
No.
If you love me, let me go.